everyone, this is Fabrice, and in today's video I'm going to share my project with you. So in this project I will demonstrate the design and the simulation of a small office network using Cisco Packet Tracer. So the objective of this project is to establish communication between the two departments and verify successful packet transmission. So let's get started. Here are the devices I used. This one is the router or the main router, and here we have two switches, switch 0 and switch 1, and you have 4 computers that are connected to these two switches. So the device is used in this project. As you can see here on the screen, all of them are one router, 2 switches here, this one and this one, 4 computers, and the wires for connection. This one is copper thread through cables. That's how it's called. As you can see here, department A is this side, this one. This one. Department A contains 2 computers connected to the switch 0 here. You see PC 0 and the PC 1. Both are connected to switch 0. And department B is this one. Contains also 2 computers connected to switch 1. Both switches, this one switch 0 and switch 1, are connected to the router, which enables communication between the two networks. So here, after connecting all of these devices, you have to configure IP windows and also for the router. Here, each computer was assigned an IP address and a default gateway. The router interfaces were also configured using command line instruction, and both interfaces were activated using no shutdown command. So let me try to show you. For instance, let's configure this PC 0. You just click on it and come here to desktop here to call you come here to desktop. Let me just try to enable the things that were done before. You click on it and come here to desktop and IP configuration. You click on it and here you just configure. I configured already, so I'm not going to do it again. I'm just going to show you how I did it. Here, as you can see, it's not that clear, but it's clear. It's IPv4 address. So you configure, you just put the IP address here, and you have the subnet mask. You also put its digit, and here we have default gateway. I don't know if you see it, but for me it's very clear. And you configure it. After configuring, you can just minimize, and you click anywhere in these interferences, in these white interferences, and the PC will become cool. So about the router as well, you to configure it, you click on it, just one click, and here I configured already. So you come in this section CLI, and you try to put your command. Let me, for instance, this one here is router. As you can see, router enable router configure terminal interconfiguration commands, one per line, or these things, and you will, after that it will just show you that it's already cool. For instance, here percentage link dash 5 dash changed interference gigabyte ethernet 0/0. These are the things that show you that it's configured. And here you can see router con 0 is now available. Press return to get started. So here your router is already configured, so you can just minimize this tab and go ahead. So for instance, here, as you can see, as long as they are already connected, we should test the results and just test the communication between all these them. For here we have today, let's use this PC0. You just click on it, one click, and as you can see, you come here. I cannot see it well. Let me try to try it. So as I'm going to show you, you click on this PC0 and it will open this panel that you are seeing here, and you just come here in command prompt. So these are the tests that I have performed, but let's just try it again. Let me copy the recent one, this one, ping. You copy it and you come here, right click and paste. No, this is not the one I want. Let me erase it, and I actually want this one. So as you can see, I'm going to test it. Let me try to type it. Ping 192.16.8.2.2 and enter. Let's wait for a while. And as you can see, it's just showing request timeout, reply from these ones, this about the bytes and the time and the TTL. So as you can see, there is a communication here. We just have one tiny error, which is packets sent for received 3 and the lost is 1. So it's 20%, it's 25% of loss. Here if you go again, you should get no error at all. Let me try it out, and 168.2.2. Alright, here you see ping statistics for these numbers: packets sent 4, received 4, lost 0. As you can see, there is a communication. So this is for testing, and this is for the project. As you saw, everything from the start until this time, we, as a conclusion, like, the project successfully established communication between the devices. You saw it. Cisco Packet Tracer provides an effective platform for simulating telecommunication networks before re-implementation. Yeah, that's the conclusion. If you want to make an installation about some router, about some computers, you can use Cisco Packet Tracer to try it out first. yeah, just for tryouts and see if everything works fine. Once you conclude that they are cool, you can now go ahead and buy your hardware, then start the installation. So thank you for watching. This is for today. Catch you in the next video, and also don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comments. Your ideas are so welcome. So see you